Hey everybody, hi and welcome, and thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with me and the entire Happy Crew. So the sleepy sidekicks are here and at the moment wide awake. Wyatt's over here on bug patrol and Xena has been fairly active today. It's been good. And for today's unboxing and distraction, I have an Amazon Prime wardrobe box for you, and it's fairly big. So I am excited to dig into this box. So if you're not familiar with Amazon Prime Wardrobe, which is the, what do they call it? Personal Stylist by Amazon Prime Wardrobe. So this is not my picks, these are Stylist picks. And you do have this service through Amazon Prime. It is $4.99 a month, and you can ask for specific things or you can let your stylist wing it and see what you get. And they pick about, I think it's 12 pieces for you, and you can choose up to 8 of them and have them sent to you to try before you buy. The charge is $4.99 a month. It does not come off of anything that you keep. It's just basically, I guess, their cost to cover some of the cost of what it is to put it together for you. But let's dig right in. I think I asked for Summer Brights and knits, easy wear pieces. So we'll see what I got here. And I'll be honest, I can't remember what the heck what I saw in my preview. You do keep your box. I just threw my scissors across the way. You do keep your box. Anything you don't love and don't want to keep goes right back into the box. And it goes back UPS, I believe. And I will confirm that for you as soon as we dig into this box. As soon as you get into your box, here's what it looks like. Everything is in plastic, and it's a tad windy out today. You do get a little envelope that has your pricing sheet, your return label, and we'll go through that in just a minute. Let me get everything out of the plastic and we'll go through it all. Okay, so I have everything out of the plastic and we're going to run through it, and I'm going to give you pricing as I show you the item, because I've always found that when I do purchase things through Prime Wardrobe, the prices are always so much better than when I buy them directly off of Amazon Prime. So even if I need to exchange a size, which you can't do through Prime Wardrobe, you have to then just try to buy it again or try to put it back in a Prime Wardrobe, the prices are incredibly different. Okay, so let's do this. First up is Aster the label. This is called the Women's Landon Sleeveless Wrap Tie Front Top, and this is $51.43. So let's see what this looks like, and I can see it's open. So I think the colors in this are very pretty. It does have adjustable straps in the back, and we're going to have to try this on to get the full effect of it, since it looks like there's a little hook back here to do the little wrap. And I see it has the little V front, but I can tell you guys are not really getting the full effect of it until I try it on. Xena, are you leaving? Are you going to leave? All right, we'll put you down. Next up is Lucky Brand Women's Short Sleeve Crew Neck Tee. I'm going to go and order my price list here. And this is a Janis Joplin graphic. See, there's stuff dropping all over the place. Isn't that cute? I love the purples and pinks. Circa 1970. And this is $31.14. All right, then we have the Suburban Riot Good Vibes Loose Fit Graphic Tee. And this one is $38.01. That's cute. Amazon brand Good Threads Women's Denim Mid-Rise Raw Edge Short, $35. There's those. Those are nice. Look like they should have a decent inseam, hopefully. Okay. Then we have the J. Crew Mercantile Women's Knit Dress, $34.83 for this. What do you guys think of that? It's like a little t-shirt dress. It's kind of cute. It's got stretch, has the little buttons here at the top. Black and white, not bad price. All right, then we have the Vince Camuto Women's Laverta Pump in fuchsia. All right, that is this. And let's see what these look like in fuchsia. Oh, so I'm like, I don't remember seeing a pump. All right, here's what these look like. I don't know if I would call this a pump, so I think I would call this a wedge, but okay. The fuchsia's pretty. What do you guys think of those? I think that's the most expensive thing in my box, $98.95. Fuchsia's very pretty. Okay, then we have another pair of shoes. Charles by Charles David, women's wedge sandal platform in white. These are $69.30. These are white. I usually stay far away from white shoes, but I've been seeing so many of them, I decided to give these a try. I almost took them out, but we'll see what they look like. And last but not least is Touch by Nature women's organic cotton dress in leopard for $16.99. This is on a hanger. $16.99. It's like another little t-shirt dress, V-neck in leopard. $16.99. And that's all my pieces. So that means we get to the try on. Let's do this and see how they work. I'll be right back. All right, so I have the first outfit on, and the shorts are great actually. They're just the fun raw hem without anything, extra, no cuffs, no nothing. They have a nice inseam, and they went on nice and easy, so they're great. The fit is nice. I like them. I have no complaints, and if I remember, they were not expensive at all, so I really like the cutoffs. They're nice. This top does not fit me at all. I like the idea of it. It has the adjustable straps. I like that you just kind of pull this through the little loop and leave it be, and it doesn't move, which I really love that. However, it does not fit me through here. It's very tight, creating this keyhole, which I don't think is really supposed to be there, because it's just pulling so tight. You can see it's causing these stripes to just kind of pull. It is a true wrap, so it ties over here and then comes through this little, like I said, the little loop. And I don't think I really want to size up because I think like it fits me under the arms, but it doesn't fit me anywhere else in the top. And I'm not sure that I love it enough that I might want to do that. I'm going to give you guys a close-up even though it's really not attractive. But just so you can see this in case you might be interested in the top, because I like the idea of it. I just don't think it's going to work for me and my shape, unfortunately. But see how it just goes through the loop, which is fun, has the true crossover. All right, and we'll move on to the next outfit. Okay, so for the next outfit, I kept on the jean shorts and I put on this fun Janis Joplin tee from Lucky. So soft. How cute are these colors? And I always like to roll my sleeves. These are already rolled, so they're attached and everything. And then I put on these white Charles by Charles David, right? Yeah. Shoes. So what do you think of these? I wouldn't really call these wedges. I would call these more platform. Very white. I'm not sure I like them. They're very different. I do like the tee though. The tee's fun. Look really cute under a pink blazer. Going into fall, so I think it's a wear now, wear later type tee. I'm not sure I'm digging these sandals though. They're not too bad on right now. They're not uncomfortable. I'm just not loving the overall look. All right, we'll keep going. Okay, next up is the Good Vibes tee. I didn't cuff the sleeves just so you guys can see what it looks like, but I generally do that whenever I wear them. But I think this is overall a cute one. This one's by Suburban Riot. Good saying. Cute tee. Still have these shoes on. Oh, that's funny. Here's a closer look at the tee. I think this one was more expensive than the Janis Joplin one. 38, I think, and 31. All right. Okay, so next up is this J. Crew Mercantile dress, and I put on the Vince Camuto fuchsia shoes, which they call pumps. But this is a true wedge. These shoes are kind of fun. I usually don't like anything that comes up so high on my ankle, but what do you guys think of these? The color really pops, and I kind of like them. I'm wondering if I would be able to stand them all day with so much around my ankle, but they're fun. I like them. Love the color. This dress is too small. We'll start off with that. Very, very bodycon. I would definitely have to size up. If I went out and ate, this would show everything, but it is way, way, way too tight in my opinion. But it is a cute little t-shirt dress basically. The striping isn't too bad. The length is nice. So I think this is overall a cute dress. As I said, you generally, whenever you try to repurchase things on Amazon, the price goes up. So I might maybe try requesting this one again in my next box and try for the next size up and see. But it's cute. It's a cute dress. I like it. All right, so I have one more dress for you, and we're almost done. Okay, last outfit is this cute little V-neck animal print, leopard print dress. And unlike the last dress that felt like it was trying to kill me because it was so tight, this one is loose, swingy, has lots of room, stretchy, and I think was only $16. So this one's cute. What do you guys think of this one? I'm pretty sure this one did come in other color patterns as well. And overall, I think it's a cute dress. It's a fun, casual one. You could dress this up. You could wear it with sneakers, flip-flops, dressier shoes, which I still have on the little Vince Camuto sandals, and so far they're not bad. They're comfy. Yeah, I think this one's cute. I'm not sure the sidekicks are excited, but I like it. All right, I think we're ready for a quick wrap-up. Let's see what the keepers might be. All right, guys, so what did you think of this collection? I didn't think it was too bad. However, I'm not sure I have many keepers. And some of it had to do with size. I had, you know, the Astor top and this dress, major sizing issues. Like, they're just not going to work for me. Not sure these are really me. So what I'm leaning towards is, I thought the Janis Joplin tee was super cute. I'm thinking about keeping that. I thought these cutoffs were really nice, and the price wasn't bad at $35 for those. I'm thinking about them, but do I really need them, right? And then, of course, I like the most expensive thing in the box, which were these super fun, bright fuchsia sandals. Like, this color really stands out. They were fun. What'd you guys think of these? Those are the items I'm thinking about. The Good Vibes tee wasn't bad, but it was a basic tee, but I kind of liked it. That's, I think, what I'm leaning towards right now. Trying to decide between those pieces. So I need you to help weigh in. What do you think were the keepers from this box? I will list all of these items down below in case you want to check any of them out directly on Amazon or request any of them in your personal shopper by Amazon Prime wardrobe, or if you'd like to add them to an Amazon Prime wardrobe of your own, because you can always do those yourself as well. Thanks so much for spending a little bit of your day with us. We really appreciate it. Would love if you hit that like button, hang out for the long haul, and hit that subscribe button. If you already subscribed, thank you so very much. Zena says thank you too. Until next time, everyone, we'll see you. Bye-bye.